Hi, I'm Deepak. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the MongoDB in less than 2 minutes. So let's go to the MongoDB website. Click on the Get MongoDB to download the MongoDB. It has a cloud services on the Google platform, AWS and Azure, but we want to install the server on the local machine. MongoDB comes with the community servers and enterprise servers. The community server has no limitation at all, but with the enterprise servers, it comes with the more production ready features like in-memory storage engine, encrypted storage engine, as well as the advanced feature. We can go with the community server. Please select your architecture for the OS and the package as a MSI. Click on the download. It will start the downloading. I'm cancelling it as I already have downloaded the MongoDB installation file. Click on the installation file, it will open the installation. Click on next. Please accept the agreement. Click on next and choose the complete installation. It will show you the how all this information like the service name and the data folder and the log folder. So if you want to go with the default installation, just click on the next, and finally it will ask you to install the MongoDB Compass or not. MongoDB Compass is a default tool for GUI tool for to access the MongoDB. So let's say I don't want the MongoDB Compass, I will use MongoDB through the command line. Click on next and installation will be started. I will wait for the installation, and here is the installation has been completed. Click on the finish. So now to test the installation, let's open your command prompt, clear it out. Let's try to connect the MongoDB. As it's installed with all the default settings, just type the Mongo, and here you go, we have the MongoDB running. So let's check out the DBs, and I can see the default DBs like admin, config and local. Let's try to do some basic command like use test and db dot employee dot insert, and setting the new employee name is Anna. And here you go, that's all. Thank you.